What's up guys, it's Z from Z's World. I have the TRAXXAS RUSTLER 4x4 and I just got a set of front and rear PROLINE shocks for it. These are the POWERSTROKEs. I've heard nothing but good things about these. When I had first gotten the Rustler, I had taken the old shocks off because they were plastic and the plastic actually popped off and the fluid would leak out, and when you got to snap it back on. So I ended up getting TRAXXAS big bore shocks with aluminum caps. And I've had a lot of success with them, but now I figured everyone's been talking so much about these that I figured I would give these a try. So in this video I'm going to show you them bled, and I'm going to fill them with about 60 weight shock oil on the bench, and then I'll have them installed and we'll see how the car drives with them installed. Guys, I'm back now. I just disassembled the shocks, took the springs out, filled them with 40 weight, because I did some research and I heard a lot of people saying 60 weight would be too much because you have a dual rate spring. So even squeezing it without fluid, it was very, very stiff. So I wanted to go with a lighter weight shock oil, so I went with Team Losi Racing shock oil, 40 weight. And what's cool about these, you can fill them up to about, when you see them, you can see the level a little bit high, but not all the way overbearing. And each one of these shocks has a little bleed hole in it. I don't know if you could see it right there, but there's a bleed screw hole right there. And once I let all the air out of them here, I'll compress them and it'll shoot whatever excess fluids left out, and then they'll be bled and ready to go. So the next part of this video, I'm gonna have it back on the car, or the new one's on the car, and we're gonna road test it and see if there's any difference. All right. We just put the POWERSTROKE shocks on from PROLINE. There's no real jumps here or any hills here, but at least I'm gonna try to do today is drive it and show you the dampening of the shocks, to show you that it maintains stability and that it actually continues to drive straight. So let's give it a look. If you can see right here, there's the PROLINE shocks, 40 weight all around, and we're gonna give it a little blast and see how it looks. I rolled it. So guys, I just ripped it through the grass to see how stable the suspension was. Car drives and tracks great. Very good dampening. There's not a lot of bumps over here. I'm gonna try to put it over on that dirt on the baseball field. I mean, there's nothing really much over there. Maybe I could hit the mound and just get it to jump a little bit. If not, I'm gonna have to settle for buying a ramp at some point. But let's go check it out. Big blue right there.
That was pretty dope.
It is pretty sick. I just wish there was a bigger bump on the infield, because then it would really fly there. It's got a lot of power, so it's not getting traction, it's just spinning the tires. Just ripping the TRAXXAS Russtler through here with the PROLINE shocks. I'm gonna rip it right through here from grass to the dirt to show how the dampening of the suspension reacts from changing its surfaces. So we're gonna check it out right now. That was good. That was good. Okay guys, so shocks were a hit. Everything I thought about why they were going to be good is the reason why they're good. PROLINE makes really, really good stuff. The 40 weight oil is the perfect amount of oil, and from surface to surface, from grass to jumps to little jumps and hitting the ruts and stuff like that, the car still tracks straight and the dampening is phenomenal. So I really recommend getting these shocks for any basher that you're gonna get. So overall, it was a good day, nothing broke, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.